This is the Auto Scooper 2 version of this automatic self-cleaning cat litter box. This thing's really cool. It's super intelligent, I guess. It's got some infrared sensors on each side to recognize when the cat is in the box doing its business or in there just in general. So it won't operate when there's a risk that's going to hurt the pet. There's really only a couple buttons to work with here. There's a power button. When you first start it up, it goes through an automatic sequence to start it up. There's a button here to switch from automatic to manual. So if you notice that it's getting a little bit full, you can hit the manual button. There's a manual, you switch from manual to automatic, and this is when you add new kitty litter. It goes through the process of resetting, basically. The kitty litter just sits in this basin here. You can see where the min and the max is, so that's where you want to keep it all the time. When the cat goes in, does his business, it'll wait 3 minutes, and then it'll go through its process by which it sips out the waste and drops it into the garbage bag, which is down underneath here. It's on this pull-out tray. This is how you work with the lower basin where all the disposable waste is going to be removed. I don't have a garbage bag in here right now. There's just a clip here in the front and a clip here in the back. You just pull them down like this and this entire lid comes off. And then this is where you replace the bag. You just wrap your bag around these rubber ends here, pull it around the edges, and then twist it through this little hole around this little portion here. You can tie a knot around it, and then it keeps it kind of snug in place. What you'll have then is the strings that you just tied. So when you go to remove the bag, all you do is pull the strings. These rubber holders will collapse and the bag will slide across, capture all the waste, and then you'll just have this nice clean bag to pull out of the lower bin. It's really kind of nice. This is an awesome way to have a self-contained unit. It cleans by itself automatically based on motion, and all the pet waste gets contained in this lower unit, which is basically sealed in this tray, and you don't smell a thing. Everything about this can be completely removed. You go to clean it like it's an entire, like a major clean. You can remove this pull off here, take this entire ball out, take off these top ends on each side, basically break down the entire unit and take it out on your driveway and power wash it if you have to, or take it in a wash basin and clean it. Outside of the electronics in it and the motorized, you can really take this thing apart and get it fully clean. It's really kind of a futuristic self-cleaning cat litter box. It's really awesome. If you're curious about the dimensions of the opening, it's about 16 inches wide and top to bottom, the whole, I'd say maybe 13 inches. So you got 13 inches this way and 16 inches horizontal for your cats to go in and do their business. Plenty of room for a large cat. This automatic litter box does need to be plugged in. It came with its own power supply like this. I would say it's got maybe 4 or 5 foot cord. It gets plugged in on the side over here. This is the manual clean button here. You tap that, it goes into its sequence to go and to pull itself up, scoop it all up into one area, and then dump it back, and then dump the waste down into the lower area here. Otherwise, in automatic mode, it just does this automatically 3 minutes after the cat has left the litter box.